In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a product link in WooCommerce. Whether you're managing an online store, sharing product details on social media, or providing a link to a customer, knowing how to grab a direct product link is essential. Let's walk through the steps together so you can accomplish this quickly and easily. First, you'll want to navigate to your WooCommerce dashboard. This is the central hub for managing all your products, and it's where we'll start our process. Once you're in your dashboard, look to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a menu with various options. Click on Products. This will expand to show additional choices. From there, select All Products. This is where you'll find a complete list of every item that's available for purchase in your online store. After clicking on All Products, you'll be taken to a page displaying a table that lists all of your products. Think of this as your command center for all things related to your inventory. Now, to proceed, find the product you need a link for. An easy way to locate it is by scrolling through the list or utilizing the search bar at the top for quicker access. Once you've found the product, hover your mouse over its name. You should notice that a few options appear just below the product's name, like magic. One of these options will be View. The next step is straightforward. Simply click View. This will open the product page in a new tab of your web browser. It's convenient because you can easily switch between your dashboard and the product page without losing any of your place in the dashboard. Once your new tab is open, you'll see the product page as any shopper would see it, complete with images, descriptions, and everything they need to know. Now that the product page is open, turn your attention to the browser's address bar at the top of the screen. Here, you'll see the URL for the product page. This URL is the direct link to your product. It's the path anyone can use to go straight to the item in your store. Finally, all that's left to do is to highlight this URL and copy it. You can do this by clicking once on the URL, right-clicking to bring up the contextual menu, and selecting Copy. Alternatively, many people prefer the keyboard shortcut, which is usually Ctrl+C or Command+C on Macs, whatever is easiest for you. And there you have it. The copied URL is now your product link. So whether you're pasting it into an email, sharing it on social media, or adding it to a marketing campaign, you now have a direct link to your product that's ready to be shared. That's how simple it is to get a product link in WooCommerce. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're now able to manage your product links with confidence. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out other videos for more great WooCommerce tips.